I'm just doing a bit of an update. I ended up, I talked about installing bucket seats on my Nissan, and I ended up not installing the ones that I talked about in the previous video. I found these really nice ones online for a rather cheap price, so I just bought them. And so far I've installed the driver's side, and hopefully if you can tell, the sucker is on. Didn't really have to do any modification at all, as with which I would have to have done with the other seats. But I'm really digging these ones. They're pretty good, really nice and comfortable. Keep you in place, at least far more compared to the bench seat that was on there originally. But as soon as I'm able to, as soon as I get time, I'll install the passenger side, and hopefully, if I'm able to, I'll record the process and upload it. But yeah, anyway, I'm really liking these seats, so I'll check you guys out later.